Hey everybody. Welcome to Animals Kingdom. Today, we will be classifying animals according to the food they eat. Do you know what we called a place where animal lives? It's a habitat. A habitat is an environment where animals live together. It's a place which provides food, water and shelter to the animals. We found animals all over the world. Different animals require different living conditions to thrive. Animals and plants are adapted to the conditions of the habitats in which they live. Habitats can be big like a forest or small like a leaf. What do animals eat? Let's find out. All animals need food to survive. Different animals eat different things. There are 3 types of animals exist in this habitat. These animals eat specific food that connects them together in a chain, and we called it a food chain. Animals have their names as per their food they eat. Animals are divided into 3 groups based on the types of food they eat. First, herbivore. Herbivores are the animals that only eat plants, and we called them plant eater. Second, are carnivores. Carnivores are the animals that eat meat. We called them meat eater. Then we have omnivores. Well, omnivores are the animals that eat both meat and plants. The interesting thing is that the animal size doesn't determine what they like to eat. Some of the biggest animals eat plants only, and very tiny little animals love to have meat. Let's dig into details. Herbivores. Herbivores usually have broad teeth at front that help them bite and cut. They have blunt or sometimes no canines, and strong back teeth that they use to crush and grind plants. Deer and zebras have strong and long legs with tough hooves that help them travel long distances in search of food. Both deer and zebra run fast to escape predators, means the omnivores. Giraffes is a herbivore. Giraffe have long necks, which help them to reach on the top, high up on trees to have food. Elephants have strong and extremely flexible trunks, which they use to break fruit and branches and take them into their mouths. Elephants have strong and extremely flexible trunks, which they use to break fruit and branches and take them into their mouths. When we look at the world as a whole, and consider the present-day animals surveyed, we have 63% carnivores, 32% are herbivores, and only 3% are omnivores. Carnivores animals like lion and tiger have sharp, canines, i.e. pointed front teeth. Their claws are sharp and jaws are powerful, which help them to tear flesh. Carnivores animals like lion and tiger have sharp, canines, i.e. pointed front teeth. Their claws are sharp and jaws are powerful, which help them to tear flesh. Carnivorous birds like eagle have curved, pointed beaks that allow them to tear flesh. Carnivorous birds like eagle have curved, pointed beaks that allow them to tear flesh. Carnivorous fish like shark have several small, sharp teeth that help them bite off chunks of flesh. Carnivores like chameleon and frog have a long, sticky tongue that they use to catch insects. Carnivorous fish like shark have several small, sharp teeth that help them bite off chunks of flesh. Carnivores like chameleon and frog have a long, sticky tongue that they use to catch insects. Carnivores like chameleon and frog have a long, sticky tongue that they use to catch insects. Omnivorous means to eat everything. They have strong and pointed beaks to kill small animals, crack seeds, and pick at fruit. They also have sharp claws on their feet. Paws. 3. Voice emphasis. Moderate. A grizzly bear eats anything nutritious, which includes a variety of animals, salmon, rodents, and sheep. Their diet varies depending on what food is available for the season. Interestingly, since omnivores both hunt and are hunted, they can be both predators and prey. Omnivorous means to eat everything. A grizzly bear eats anything nutritious. Their diet varies depending on what food is available for the season. Interestingly, since omnivores both hunt and are hunted, they can be both predators and prey. This is one of our species. Can you name it? Yes, you are right. It's a monkey. Monkeys tend to inhabit the tropical rainforests of Africa, Central America, South America and Asia. Monkeys eat leaves, fruit, seeds, nuts, grass, roots, eggs, insects, spiders, and small mammals. There are about 1 to 2 million of those species are animals. Animals can also sense what goes on around them. Their bodies allow them to move in reaction to their surroundings. They use their senses and movement to find food. There is a very thing about camels and other herbivores. The eyes of herbivores are located on either side of their head for a wider view. This helps them to spot the danger and escape from the carnivore, who love to have them in their meal. Do you know that most small predators are nocturnal? The fastest land animal in the world, a cheetah, can reach 112 kilometers per hour in just 3 seconds. A giraffe has 7 bones in its neck. Pandas are big eaters. Every day they fill their tummies for up to 12 hours. Let's recap what we have learned today. We have learned that habitat is a place. It's an environment where animals live. They found food and shelter like forest. Then we found out about the eating habits of animal. There are 3 types of animals exist in the animal habit. These animals eat specific food that connects them together in a chain, and we called it a food chain. Animals have their names as per their food preferences. First is herbivore animals that only eat plants. Second, we have carnivores that only eat meat, the wild animals. Then, we have omnivore, the animals that eat both meat and plants. We have also learned that animal uses their senses to find food. It's time to say goodbye. Happy learning with fun learning. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then like, subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest updates powered by Fun Learning, where we prepare you for life.